here's my outfit for today. Tapos dito yung area kung saan ako in-eyebrow wax.
Pwede ka nails. O sige.
Ayan. Kinabahan ako. Ang relaxing niya.
Kaya yung init, ma'am.
Apo.
Saan mo nakita bang magpa-haircut?
Wala na, curious lang ako.
Si,
Candle woman. Sama ka sa vlog ko, ate.
kaya siya, ma'am?
Bilig ako hot shower. Thank you po.
Wala mo ng cellphone, ma'am.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasama mo na si vlog.
Hi, vlog. Char. Parang ako may kukunin sa oven. Hi guys! So kasama ko na sila and kakain kami ng puto bongbong. Dito malapit sa Kamali Restaurant. Kasi nandito rin yung lilim. So, after namin kumain dito, ito na kami nandito. Sana payagan kami nandito. Di ba, Marian? Hi guys! I'm inside the cafe. This way daw.
Try it.
Greenwich lang to eh. Hindi pala, Armando's. Armando's Pizza.
Tapos ang flavor niya is Armando's.
Ang sarap. Masarap. Hi guys! So, katatapos lang namin mag-mat pilates and nandito kami sa parking lot sa camp and we got some freebies! So, let's unbox it, Rich.
I tell them na nagkaroon din tayo ng croissant.
Nagkaroon kami ng croissant and meron din silang snacks doon. They have
Drinks.
matcha, chocolate, croissants, cupcakes. Ang sarap ng cupcakes, kaso naubos ko na.
Butter croissant din para chocolate.
Ayan, inubos niya na. Isa lang kinuha niya kasi nahiya siya.
Yeah, isa lang. Pwede bang bumalik?
Babalik ako next Sunday. Si Rich, dapat.
Wala ako next Sunday.
Madali, unbox na
I'm with
natin.
my partner.
Unbox na natin.
So this is what we got. Ang nakalagay niya is Revive Studio. Tapos Pilates lang na
Revive
reformer.
Studio.
Yun
Actually,
naman.
ang ganda ng tote bag. Kasi may pocket siya. QR.
Naisaan ako. Charet.
QR. Tapos dalawang sticker.
This is for the feedback.
Yes.
QR ng feedback.
Sticker.
And we
Revive
have
Studio and Pilates. Ano yan?
brochure.
From the brand Balance.
Ba't wala akong sticker?
Hindi ka binigyan. Revive Studio, wala daw siya.
Wala akong sticker.
Ang galing di kasi ayan o. Ang pretty.
Thank you.
Hindi siya newspaper guys. This one is for sure from
Balance.
Balance.
Maganda daw gentle sa skin yung balance. So, nakuha natin.
Sunscreen. Actually, trial batch lang nila to. So, we're the first one to try it.
Yes. will give her feedback, may honest
Yes.
feedback about this. Kasi I love sunscreen.
Ipa-product review niya to sa TikTok account niya. So, make sure to follow him, guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa Anyong. Lumipad kami kasi sobrang lugi kami if nagstay kami dun sa isang Samgyeopsal restaurant. So, we decided to eat here in Anyong kasi mas sulit. Hi everyone! So I haven't been able to update you regarding my life recently, and so I am here in Royce Hotel, Old Royce Hotel, because my parents are coming here and we want to have a staycation. So we decided to come back here and spend the night here in Royce Hotel. Anyway, so I'm alone right now because I'm just waiting for them. So galing silang Manila para puntahan ako dito. Yeah. Best parents ever. So this is our room, guys. It's just 5,998 or 888 something. So you have two options. It's either you're gonna choose the one king bed or the twin bed. So in our case, we chose twin bed kasi tatlo kami. Dito sila, and then dito ako. So ito yung charging area namin. Of course, may telephone kayo, Bible, remote, and then yung menu. So here, makikita nyo, may TV. And then here, you can see their pantry. So they have Lipton tea. And then creamer, sugar, and then coffee. And then ito guys, if you wanna check. Ito yung mini bar. Ayan, mas okay kasi wala siyang laman. But mas okay if meron kayo ilalagay ng mga food na kailangan i-refrigerate. Then, let's check here. And then, of course, may cabinet. Hindi pwedeng mawala. May hangers kayo dyan. And then, slippers. Suot ko na. Oh, at least. So, may safe kayo dito. Ayan. And then, meron din kayo nito, laundry bag. So, pwede nyo siya iuwi. So, meron silang conditioner and then shampoo na free. And then, they have 2 showers. Inside Royce Hotel. So, I'm with my family. So, yung mom ko, short hair na siya. Here's our food. Sarap. Asan na yung rice? Mommy, say hi.
Hi! Ang sarap ng ulam namin.
Daddy.
Dinero.
So, guwapo.
Ansel.
Gusto, hi ganda. So guys, may isi-share ako. Nagpa-haircut kasi yung mami ko. Magkano yan, mami?
Ayan, black jack.
Ay, para siyang si Mami Pinti, guys. Mami Lucille. Ayun. Bagong bagong tita nyo. Mami Lucille. Hi, vlog. Siya na yung papalit kay Mami Pinti.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is my breakfast. I have your bacon, snapped eggs, pastisado, and biscuit. Baka. And a Tokyo iced tea.
watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to see you back here. Know that I appreciate you and I can't wait to